Now I know what you're all thinking. And no, I did not go to Florida State. I bought this shirt at Goodwill. Hey y'all, welcome to Maddie Pants and welcome to this pack with me / prep for vacation with me. Yes, that is right. I am going to the beach. I'm going on a trip for the first time in forever. I'm going with some of my extended family because we are all vaccinated. Dreams come true.
Dreams come true.
I'm so very excited that I started making a list of all the things I need to pack and all the things I need to do in preparation for this beach trip. I am an over planner. It's what I like to do. It's what gets me hype. Please don't come for me. So, on my to-do list for this beach preparation, we have number 1, get my second dose of the vaccine. Oh fuck yeah, my band-aid's upside down. Step 1 complete. And then I have some things on here like get my nails done, go get a spray tan, whiten my teeth, which none of these things are like necessary or mandatory. I'm not trying to impress anyone. I'm just going to the beach with my family. But I'm using this vacation as an excuse to treat myself with some beauty treatments. Treat yourself with treatments. Which is also kind of silly because obviously you do not need an excuse to treat yourself. Like, if you want to go get a spray tan every once in a while, you do it. You go, Glen Coco. But before I start any of that, let's try and tackle some just straight up packing. Now, when I make a packing list, which I'm sure not everyone does, just us over planners. When I make a packing list, I like to organize it by the day. So I'll write down every day that I'm gonna be there and then like what outfits I need on that day. So like Saturday, I need a driving outfit, a bathing suit, and some comfy clothes to wear after the beach. So looking at this list, it looks like I need quite a few bathing suits. Lots of comfy clothes to bum around the beach house in. So I went to the thrift store the other day to find some of those kind of like either like tacky Florida shirts or just like maybe some comfort color shirts, which is that's a brand that does a certain, you know what I'm talking about? Some overall beach vibe shirts. Thought I could find some, and honestly the only thing I ended up with is the St. Kitts shirt. Not quite the vibe I was going for because it is hot pink, but oh my god, I just realized it's misprinted. Like it's askew a little bit. I don't know, maybe I'll like save this shirt and like tie-dye it or something, but right now it's not quite exactly the beach vibe I was going for. I mean, this shirt is a little bit better for what I was going for, but not really. You ever just try on your whole closet when you're trying to pack for vacation? Yeah, me neither. Okay, so I just tried on all of my bathing suits and I realized it has been quite some time since I've been bathing suit shopping. Most of my swimsuits no longer fit me, especially on the top half, which is totally fine and dandy. However, I don't think I'm gonna have time to buy a new bathing suit, nor do I want to spend money on that. So we're gonna rock and roll with what we got. You want to see my packing progress? Here are my piles so far. Here we have the 2 swimsuits that still fit me and look cute. Then we have this backup swimsuit and this pile that is a maybe but probably will take. We got this pile, which is stuff I want to bring but is needs to go in the laundry. And this pile of maybe but probably I won't pack. So, you know, we have made a lot of progress today. I'm so glad you decided to watch this video because as you can see, I am not a pro packer. All right, hey y'all, it is a new day, but same shirt, and I think it is time to tackle my nails. And I decided that I'm not gonna go to a salon, I'm just gonna do them here at home because I realized that A, I am cheap, and 2, I hate leaving the house. So I'm just gonna do a gel manicure here with my gel light and gel top coat that I got from Amazon. Yeah. Chai is here to supervise. Very sleepy supervisor. Ma'am, that was my seat. I was sitting there. Oh man. All right, Chai, you're gonna have to scooch your booch. No, come on, you like to pancake on the chair. Okay. Sorry, Chai. I'm just dipping my fingers in some warm water so it's easier to push back my cuticles. Wow, my cuticles were really bad. Honestly, I do think it is worth it to go to a nail salon because A, they're gonna be better at like pushing back your cuticles and doing all that kind of stuff.
And they were the ones that I would always like wear to cheer practice and stuff.
Whoops. And B, if you just have gel base coat and top coat at home and you don't have gel color, then you have to use regular nail polish and you have to wait like a super long time for that regular polish to dry because you want it to be completely dry before you put on your gel top coat. Y'all, I can't decide on what nail polish color I want. I thought I wanted white to make like my tan pop, but then I looked through and I actually have this gel color one that's lime green. Like that's kind of pretty, right? For summer, spring, whatever. And then this was my first choice, this Hello Kitty OPI, just kind of pale pink. But then I also like this lavender one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Very best one, and you are it. All right, you know what they say, always go with your first choice. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 10 minutes.
All right, nails are done. Honestly, they're not great. Pretty sure I painted a cat hair into this one. But you know what? From far away, you can't tell. Hopefully these last me. And it only took me a quick 40 minutes. Chai's in the beach mode. She's ready to suntan. Okay, it is spray tan day, so I'm going to do my pre-tan shower, which involves exfoliating my entire body with my little exfoliating gloves. I use these and just like a plain bar of soap, like straight up Dial soap, and I'm gonna exfoliate everything, and then I'm gonna shave everything. Head to toe. Well, no, chin to toe, shave my body. We're not shaving my head, although that is a look. And if you have a shaved head, I'm sure you look beautiful.
11 minutes later.
Smooth as a baby's bottom. You want to trick the men into thinking you're a baby.
Because men are stupid. So long as you look like a newborn baby, they are willing to mate with you.
Also, I'm hiding my toenails because they're gross. I need to go paint them. I forgot to do that yesterday. So, let's go do that. Ow. It's a boy. Just kidding. Gender is a concept. Y'all, I have run into a major packing problem. How am I Oh, now you get off my suitcase. Okay, well, thanks for nothing. Now I can't procrastinate packing. But I did just get an order delivered from Target. I got this pair of shorts in a medium and a large. And same with this tank top here. You know, you can't try it on in the store, and I ordered online, so I just, got both sizes. So I'm gonna try this on now. Why not? Will this motivate me to actually start packing? Probably not, because we don't leave for another 2 days. But today's my last day off before we leave because I have to work. So I should pack everything today, but will I? No, because I love procrastination. It's not procrastination, it's I perform better under pressure. Pro tip. All right, the mediums definitely fit, but they're a little, when it's like, how do I say this? They're a little bit that Arabian animal, with the humps and the things on your feet that, when your feet splits into 5 different ways. That just sounds really disgusting. They're a little camel toe-y. Yeah, let's try the larges. All right, the mediums definitely looked cuter, but these larges feel like 20 times better. So I guess I'm sticking with the larges. Why do they put the tag right where your butt crack goes? Why? Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why? Why?
Now, would you believe me if I said I bought this shirt in a medium, a large, and an extra large? Because I did.
I originally bought the medium in store thinking medium was my size, but no, evidently it was not. So then I ordered on the app large and extra large.
Because you never know. Women's sizing is... Women's clothing sizes are like QAnon conspiracies. They're all over the place. But this is the large, and I think this is the one that actually fits. So, okay, so my mom texted me and told me it was gonna be like cooler at the beach. I think like during the day it's gonna be 70s, and then at night it's like in the 60s. So she said pack a sweatshirt, and I was planning on bringing this one. Actually, I was planning on bringing like 4 different sweatshirts because I'm an overpacker, and that's just the way that I am. Over planner, overpacker. But this sweatshirt, she has been wrinkly from day one since I got her. Like, I don't think she's ever been like pressed or ironed in her life. So I'm going to try and revive her right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, girl.
Don't quit on me now.
I just adjusted my tripod like 16 times just for that joke. My supervisor just sleeping on the job. How dare she? All right, update. The iron didn't really do anything. Yep, we're back to square one. So, oh well. Way to fail. I guess I'm just gonna wear it wrinkly. Who cares? Who
cares?
All right, y'all. It's time to tan.
I didn't want my face to get tan, so I brought my own ponds and put it all over my face. Spoiler alert, it actually worked really well.
It literally took longer to drive here than that whole entire session. Spray tanning is so fun and so easy. And I had BOGO, so this one was free. Oh, y'all, I might be hooked. Well, we'll see the results. I didn't do it before and after. I'll do that when I get home because I won't be tan yet. All right, it has been 4 hours. So it is time to wash this tan off. It's time for shower number 3 in the last 24 hours. Okay, so here's the before and here's the after. I mean, obviously I'm not like super dark or anything, but that's how I wanted it.
JK, my tan developed even more as I slept. You can hardly tell in my before and after pictures, but I promise I did get more color.
And I'm pretty jazzed, y'all. So also, I don't think my face got tan at all, which was my goal. Last time I did a spray tan and my face got tanned, it looked a little weird. So I'd rather just like put, you know, I have some like tanning drops I can add to my moisturizer and do it that way. I just want a little extra control. So spray tan mission accomplished. A very important part of vacation prepping, recipe testing, our signature drink. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I don't like it.
Yeah, there's something off about it.
Good thing you recipe tested.
The pina colada mix?
No, I think it has plenty of banana. I think it needs a less banana.
It does. Okay.
Are you gonna redo it?
Yeah, we have to drink this. I mean, what are we gonna do with this?
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, all right. All right, round 2. Oh, still very banana-y, but I can taste like the melon more now.
I think it's great.
Wow, this is a look. It just got out of the shower, so my hair's in my little towel guy. Listen, it is the night before we leave. It is currently 11:30. Steven has to work tomorrow, so he's gonna go to sleep, so we might have to be a little quiet now. But I haven't packed anything since the last time you saw me, so we're gonna pack it all right now. Yeah, also I am wearing yet another shirt from a university that I did not attend, but you know, that's the theme of this video. Go Blue Hens. All right, I'm gonna start collecting my like toiletries and bathroom stuff. So let's do my makeup. I mean, I'm probably not gonna wear that much makeup. We're only gonna be gone for like 4 days and I'm just going to the beach with my family. I'm not gonna wear that much makeup, if I wear any at all. So yeah, that should be good. I'm just kidding, guys. I edited it down. Now it's just barely bulging out. Really, just a totally acceptable amount of makeup. Really. All right, now I gotta do my camera bag. SD card, extra battery, the best battery, battery charger, and camera. All set. Let's put the camera stuff in the beach bag, 'cause that makes total sense. All right, we are done in this room. So let's move on to our other room. Come on, Chai, we're done in here. Oh, no, we're done in the bathroom too, Chai. You're going into a lonely abyss, Chai. Okay, let's do our shower stuff. Taking the full size stuff that I need. Travel size, psh, travel with whatever size I want. Look at all my goodies. Let's do a quiet ASMR outro because Steven is sleeping. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, hi there. We're leaving in T-minus 23 minutes. So, welcome to frantic meal prepping for the beach. I'm gonna pack up all the essentials, including Midori and creme de banana, 2 bottles of blue curacao, some lovely bottom shelf white rum, mid-shelf white rum. I don't know what shelf it is, but I know it ain't top shelf. And of course, the Tommy Bahama shaker. And there you have it, the essentials of meal prepping for the beach. And hopefully next time you see me, I'll be at the beach. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. I'm gonna make another video. Yeah, I'm hopefully gonna vlog our beach trip, so stay tuned for the beach vlog. Fully vaccinated beach vlog. Nobody dabs anymore. Okay, bye y'all.